welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Grabi's Vlog. For our today's video on the latest vlog will be all about birthday ni Ice Guerra. Malalaman natin yan in my highlights. But subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto mo likes, shares, comments, and views. Aabutin ng 500 subscribers. If supported natin sa ating social media ka. This is back for today. 283 episode 283 entitled Happy Birthday Ice! Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Para natin ang highlights sa ating birthday ni Ice Guerra. Okay, sabi, rewind muna tayo sa last vlog noong April. That Ice Guerra surprise gift for, warm-up birthday ni Vic Soto sa segment ng Eat Bulagas Therapy. Ang dress as a girl, yeah! Girl! Gaganap bilang Karing, aka Ice Baby. Kasi yung pangalan pala, nanay ni Ice Guerra, yarn. Kasi just like a girl. At syempre si Ice dressed like a Barbie-like princess, yung naka-cocktail, syempre, naka-ankle boots, pati ang, naka-legs, pero naka-stockings. At syempre, yung sa hair, wigs, at saka, nakatali, like a 60. Syempre, with other singing girls, kahit after si Raya Agoncillo, katulad ni Nina Jose, Wally, Alan, at saka si Paolo. At nang laro ay si Sex Bomb Girl Jopay na nanalo ng 40,000 pesos at perfect run. Kaya salamat po sa lahat. Kaya mapapanood sa YouTube channel ng Eat Bulaga TVJ. Nasa million views na kasi ang episode na therapy about Ice Guerra. Now, let's fast forward tayo sa ating September. The latest vlog for today ay Happy Birthday Ice. That last week, nag-guest again for a second time on All Out Sunday kung saan birthday ni Rita Daniela o belated happy birthday Rita Daniela with Christian Bautista and Mark Bautista, and of course may birthday greet for Rita Daniela kay Ice Guerra, and of course with Julia San Jose, Rayber Cruz, kasi sila Ice at Julia dati sumali sa Little Miss Philippines na Eat Bulaga. At syempre, nag-guest na kasi si Gladys, si Raisa May, tsaka si Pauline noong anniversary ng Eat Bulaga noong July 30. Yeah! Ayan. Happy birthday, Rita Daniela. And of course, sa ating September 70 celebrant that Ice Guerra. Level 41 na po. Happy birthday! And of course, na mahal si Lisa Dino na nakikiss ka pa ng pisngi. At ang birthday gift ni Ice, ang late pala ni Motasika galing Yamaha. Nako, wag ka na malungkot. Happy birthday na lang, Ice. And we love you. Happy 41st birthday! And extended birthday pa sa Hard Rock Cafe. Happy birthday and belated. Kaya, birthday wish ko po para mas siguro 41 ka na, wag ka matigas na ulo. At syempre, more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Ice! And take note, mapapanood sa mga YouTube channel ni Ice Guerra, diba pa mga Eat Bulaga videos, panoorin mo na. That's it for our latest vlog. See you next vlog. Bye! God bless!